Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to fix Messenger your photo has not finished sending problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Tap on hold Messenger, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Messenger, update Messenger app if available Play Store or App Store. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode, check internet connection on your phone, go to Messenger, problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.